This 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 261 BHK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new KZ is 31 feet 7 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, awning, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, oven, spare tire kit, stove top burner, microwave, Colorado detector, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 K-Z Sportsmen SE 261 BHK is 5,900 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.